Díomh cardja agus is ochlum go bhfuil sibh íhuair seasamh ba cór go mbeadh tuileasaíocha nach níl ach tá muid ag obair ar sin. It's lovely to be here with you and I apologise in advance for making you stand. That's a work in progress to see how we can get more seats. So, a cardja úsla. Tá mé Harbheith sásta. 100,000 fáilte a chur romh anseo go Áras an Uachtarán agus tús a chur le Féile Bealtaine na bliana seo. Is Féile fíorthábhachtach í seo atá anois ó healaúradh ar fud na tíre. Féile atá oscailte, fáilteach agus ar fáil do chuile gcuine. Féile Spreagann í atá ag móra truc a héin bliain ar an bhód í mbliana. Is écht é sin gan dabhar, écht atá baintseama agibhse a cháirde agus acu siúd ar fad a bhí agus atá baintseach leis an bhéile seo le blianta anuas. I want to acknowledge Age and Opportunity, who founded the festival in 1995, and my artistic creation in 1995 was to give birth. So I treasure that year. And who have stewarded through 3 decades of growth into the national institution it has become. I want to acknowledge Dr. Tara Byrne, the festival's artistic director, and the team whose work makes the programme possible each year. I want to recognise the hundreds of organisations across the country whose programming gives the festival its national reach. The arts centres, the libraries, the museums, the theatres, the local authorities and the community groups, the day centres and the care settings. Bealtaine is a genuinely national festival in a way that few others are, present not only in the cities, in towns and parishes across the country. And that is a major part of its strength. I'm going to try and continue without the glasses. I've been accused of using them for effect. But I really use them for my eyesight. And if I keep them on, I can't see you. Some would say that might be a blessing on occasions. But the scale of the achievement of this festival is itself worth pausing on. In any given year, Bealtaine comprises some 3,000 events involving up to 60,000 people in towns and villages, like I just said, across the country. It is among one of the largest cooperative festivals in Ireland, and the model is as pioneered has travelled to Scotland, to Wales and to England, and indeed other festivals. There was a number of titles on those, but I don't trust my pronunciation of the Welsh one, so I've left them out. They all draw on the examples set by you. This year's theme, Lust for Life, is one I particularly like. It is a phrase that speaks to the energy, the appetite, and the creative drive that the years can sharpen rather than soften. It is also, in the spirit of Bealtaine, a phrase with the wink in it, a knowing wink, a joyful wink, and slightly defiant. The festival has always carried that double quality, deeply serious about the cultural rights of older people and entirely unwilling to be solemn about it, or indeed precious. I want to thank all of those who give their time, their imagination and care to making Bealtaine what it is today. I would like, of course, to acknowledge the funders, the Arts Council and the HSE in particular, who have supported the festival across 3 decades, and all of the volunteers without whom the festival on this scale, no festival could exist without their support. I want to thank hÉireann and Ivan Kinsella for the music this evening. The festival's name itself is quite significant. Bealtaine is one of the 4 great seasonal festivals of the year. It heralds the arrival of summer and the lengthening of days. It has ancient roots in our shared heritage. Long before our modern calendar, our ancestors marked this turning point with large bonfires and festive gatherings. It is a time to look forward with hope, to celebrate the cycles of nature and to recognise that growth follows even the longest and darkest of winters. It is therefore fitting that an arts festival celebrating creative life across the second half of life would take its name from the festival of the summer's beginning, from a tradition that understands seasons, that understands Rochamore an Tíl, and that the seasons are turnings, not endings, and that fire is honoured not just for its consumption, but as a source of renewal. Noi, léirí ar sinsear umus le, the lá Bealtaine, le tinte cnámh agus ceiliúradh hús an thabhrí, ag fágáil sláán le dorgadas an gibhre, agus ag fáiltiú raibh dhiile agus dochas an thabhrí. At the heart of modern Bealtaine lies the celebration of creativity, and this festival provides essential spaces and conditions for creativity to flourish. As you well know, art in all of its forms transcends boundaries, transcends time, and transcends contrived generational gap. Art is the process, in my opinion, of paring back meaning to its core, expressing truth, and cutting through any artifice that might obscure our vision. And there's no pressure on you at all as artists. Art requires us to pause, to reflect and question our perspectives. It is the medium through which our imagination is given free rein, with infinite possibilities. And there are many in today's world that would try to stifle those possibilities. Imagination is a powerful shaping force, a powerful force for positive change, but it must be nurtured and allowed to thrive. Your festival does exactly that throughout the country. Bawatla marokil scar, ma bhuicas ó chrí a gwa livse fad atá banseach ein bhealach le clár na bliana seo, idir lucht agríthe agus ranpáirtithe. Tá sihar olmhórí gríc agah, sihar a rathí chun las phobal éagsúla fud na tíre. Sihar a bhainfar sult agus scléip as feadh na mísa amach roin. Tréisliam liv fad a cháirde, agus guiam gath ra an Féile Bealtaine, banigí tanmh agus tarbha agus sult agus crack as an ihe agus míle buchas díobh go léir.